Hello everyone, myself Professor Vikas Desai, Assistant Professor in ENTC Department at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Continuing with the visibility modes in C++, today in this session we are going to discuss with the private visibility mode. As we know, there are three visibility modes in C++: public, protected and private. The public members are accessible to everyone. The protected members are accessible only who is immediately derived with that base class, and private members are accessible only to the base class. So to learn this concept, first we need to use the inheritance concept. By considering this inheritance concept, this given example, we derived a class B with the help of base class A. In a base class A, we declare three data members. Out of this, int x in public visibility mode, int y in a protected visibility mode, int z in private visibility mode. We derived a class B with a visibility mode private from the base class A. So because of private visibility mode during the inheritance, whichever the contents of a base class available inside it, that will be get converted into a private visibility mode. So that means if the int x is available in a public mode, so it will be get converted into a private. Even a protected is also converted into a private, and private will remains as a private only. As we know, to access the content of a class, we need to declare the object. So first, in main function, we declare the object with the name B. With the help of this object, if we try to access the x variable, which is initially as a public mode, but during the inheritance we declare as a private, so because of that, the public x variable is also get converted into a private. So during the runtime or during the compilation, it will show an error. Similar way, the protected is also get converted into a private. Because of that, the y variable is not accessible with the help of object B, and by default the private will remain private. Even a z variable will be also not accessible to a object B. In this way, we complete with the private visibility mode available in C++. Thank you.